This gluten-free chocolate cake is so easy that any beginner can bake it, but it tastes like you've been baking for hours. First, take a half a cup of butter and 1 cup of chocolate chips and melt it on the stove. While that's melting, take 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir them together. Our family usually makes 2 cakes, which is why you see 6 eggs in the bowl. It's time to grease an 8-inch pie plate and preheat your oven to 375. You also want to cut a sheet of parchment paper to fit the bottom of your pan. To your egg and sugar mixture, add your chocolate and butter mixture. And before stirring, add a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Once it's all mixed together, pour into your prepared baking pan. Bake in your preheated oven for 25 minutes. The internal temperature should be 200 degrees. While your cake is cooling, make the ganache. You'll need 1 cup of chocolate chips and a half a cup of heavy cream. Put these ingredients in a small saucepan and melt on low. Once your cake is completely cooled, pour your ganache over the center of it, and then gently use your spoon to push it over the sides. I try to not touch the sides at all while doing this. Once the ganache has had time to cool, slice and serve. We prefer this cake with a scoop of vanilla ice cream since it's so chocolatey and dense. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, be sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you know every time we post a new video.